Transmission shift solenoids are electromagnetic valves that control hydraulic fluid flow for gear changes in automatic transmissions. When solenoids fail, common symptoms include shifting issues, delayed or harsh gear changes, often felt as a jerk during acceleration or deceleration, gear slips, unexpected gear disengagement causing loss of power. This is due to worn solenoids allowing fluid leakage, preventing proper gear engagement. Check engine light. Illumination of the check engine light with codes like P0750, shift solenoid A malfunction, or similar codes indicating specific solenoid issues. Unusual noises, grinding or whining sounds from the transmission during shifting. Reduced fuel efficiency, inefficient gear changes lead to lower MPG. Inability to shift, the transmission may refuse to shift into certain gears, such as reverse. Addressing these symptoms promptly can prevent more serious transmission damage. If you experience these, have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. Diagnosing solenoid issues starts with an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes, such as P0750, indicating shift solenoid A malfunction. Apps like Torque Pro are increasingly popular for DIY diagnostics, allowing home mechanics to monitor solenoid codes and reduce shop visits. Multimeter testing checks solenoid resistance, which should normally be between 10 and 30 ohms. Abnormal readings indicate a faulty solenoid. Pressure tests verify hydraulic fluid flow through the solenoids, confirming no blockages or leaks. For fixes, solenoid replacement involves swapping the faulty unit or entire pack, with costs averaging $300 to $800 per solenoid. Software updates, delivered over the air or via dealership reflashing, can resolve glitches causing solenoid-like symptoms without hardware changes. Regular transmission fluid changes every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Prevent issues by removing contaminants, but always use the correct fluid type for your vehicle. Wiring inspection checks for damaged harnesses, which can be repaired to restore proper solenoid function. Remember, ignoring solenoid issues can lead to complete transmission failure and much higher repair costs. Always check with your mechanic first, as software fixes may resolve the problem.